I've been gardening since I was 13 on and off. That's 37 years. So it might surprise you, but there were 2 times in my life when I gave up gardening completely. Like, completely quit. No watering, no planting, no seeds, nothing. Out of that 37 years, that was about 8 years of no gardening. And today, I want to tell you why. Because maybe you've been thinking about quitting too, or maybe you haven't even started yet and something's holding you back. If that's you, I get it. I've been there. Twice. The first time I quit gardening was when I moved into an apartment. I had no yard, no garden, just a balcony. I told myself, there's no point. What can I really grow out here? So I gave up before I ever tried. And looking back, I wasn't just short on space, I was short on belief and knowledge. I didn't think it was worth doing unless I could go big. So glad I grew out of that. But the truth is, something is always better than nothing. Even one pot of herbs can still bring you joy. One tomato plant can still teach you something. Even a tiny garden can be enough, and I wish I had known that then. The second time I quit gardening, it wasn't about space, it was about time. I was busy, overwhelmed, tired. Life was moving fast, and gardening just felt like one more thing on the to-do list. And so once again, I gave it up. But here's the thing I didn't understand then. Gardening doesn't take your energy, it gives it. It can be 5 minutes of peace in a loud day. It can be therapy when your mind is full. And it doesn't have to be perfect or super productive to be meaningful. I forgot that. And maybe you've forgotten it too. And I want to invite you to start or restart with me, alongside you. That's why I'm launching 2 new garden series right here on this channel. The first one is called Small Space, Big Garden, a series about balcony, patio, container, and micro gardening. If you think you don't have enough space, this one's for you. The second one's called Real Life Gardening, low maintenance, no pressure gardening for busy people, tired people, lazy people, and people who just need a little peace in their day. With Small Space, Big Garden, I'm marking off an area the size of my balcony when I was in an apartment, 7 feet by 10 feet, which happens to be about average for apartments and condos. In this space, I'm going to be growing as much as I can, a mix of vegetables, fruit, and flowers, all in containers. By the end of the summer, I hope to have a space that feeds my stomach and my soul. I'll take you through the whole process every 2 weeks with planting, tending, and updates. With the other series, Real Life Gardening, I'll be sharing low maintenance, easier, lazier ways to have a thriving garden that fits into your real life. A life with work, kids, grandkids, and all the other activities that take your time and energy. And in the process of all this, give you a space that gives you energy and peace in a hectic life. So I'm excited about both of these series in 2025. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're watching this and don't know where to get started, but you know you want to start now, definitely check out the growing guides in my free garden companion for complete growing information and tips. I quit gardening because I thought I didn't have what I needed: time, space, energy. But maybe what I really needed was to stop trying to do it all and just start with what I had. If that hits home, I hope you'll stick around. I hope you'll garden with me, whatever your version of gardening looks like. Because quitting isn't the end of the story. Sometimes it's just the pause before a better beginning. Our series start next weekend, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell for notifications. And I'll see you then.